Fine, at the top of the stove. Toast the marshmallows over the stove.
Yeah.
Do the old fashioned.
I really. No.
What do you need help with?
Ah, there we go. Record that way. Set up against bottled water. There you go.
If she asks for help, why don't you guys help her? What's the matter
Yeah.
I want to watch for lightning.
You can help. You can learn how to cook, Justin.
No.
I started cooking at 12.
I started cooking at 10, 11.
I don't see you do anything.
I don't know that because I used to help Uncle Bobby in his pizza shop.
I used to help Mom cook the sausage. I used to help Mom cook sausage links.
No, wait. I was like 9.
Yeah, you said just let the water run inside, then cover it back up, right? The corn?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Don't break that glass. Tell you, bud, that is a $200 piece of glass right there.
Yikes.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Recording video, see if I can get any lightning on it. I've done it once. Gotten lightning before with a storm in Tonawanda on video. Ended up deleting it all because all you saw was the window screen. Literally, I was recording it through a window screen, all I saw was these.
One thing about York patties, they get stuck in the back of your throat.
That's the best part of mine. I'm gonna do everything. You know, in case the rain tries to blow.
Yay, let it go.
It's gonna break those glass. But do something so it doesn't fall over again, or you're gonna take it in the house. Put the damn sweater behind us so it can't come backwards.
No, it's also gonna be protected so the rain don't hit it. Unless you know it comes this way, then I'm doing it. Yeah, winds are picking up. Yeah. I just noticed it tonight.
Yeah, there's 14 drumsticks per package.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna cut.
How many?
There'll be, I'm cooking at least one full package.
What? Cook like 4 more, that'd be enough for all of us, right?
Cook 20.
How many will you eat?
2.
I'll eat like 3. I like chicken.
Hey, how many drumsticks will you eat?
You can cook them all. I'm just saying I'll throw them out. I won't eat cold ones.
No, I said 3. We have to get Ian up here one of these weekends during the summer.
I'm here most of the time, except for July.
Alright, how do you want me to wrap up the other half? I'm gonna cook a package and a half, so you're gonna have like 7 I gotta wrap up.
Go down the drawer, the freezer bags, put 3 in one and 20 or whatever, split them up, and throw them in the freezer right up above you.
As a 318, a strong form is located over Honeoye.
That does feel good.
Still recording? Yes.
It hasn't moved.
Make sure the water bottle wasn't in the way. Other than it's not. Although I haven't seen any lightning in like 5 minutes. Oh, yeah, no, it's all coming from that way. Well, that's lightning.
Hey,
Holy cow.
we get it, dude.
One on the top, one on top. Yeah.
It's like me yesterday. Coffee.
Copy.
Yeah, no,